Greetings, Earthling. I am Uncle Mike, your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle, and this is Voyager log stardate 2146.3, and Voyager has landed at Huntington Beach State Park in South Carolina. Like the previous mission to Hunting Island State Park, the main attraction at Huntington Beach State Park is the beach. So Kona, the three-legged alien dog, was happy to run on the beach again. And so, yeah, let's put it on the main view screen and let's enjoy Kona on the beach.
Roll away this stone. Roll away this sorrow and take away this pain that I've been holding on to, yeah. 'Cause I want to be like the birds all singing in the trees. Oh Lord, I want to be free. So take away this fear, take away this doubt, and let me know that you're here and you're not going anywhere, yeah. 'Cause I want to be like the fish all swimming in the sea. Oh Lord, I want to be free.
Command Module Log 2146.4. We undocked from Voyager and took the command module on an EVA to Hampton Plantation Historical Park. It was an amazing plantation with an amazing main home, and one of the other historical facts was that George Washington, yes, that George Washington, visited the plantation and actually saved the tree right off the front porch of the main house, in which the wife of the owner wanted to cut down because she thought it just ruined the view. And there's actually a plaque that symbolizes the occasion of George Washington saving the tree. And so the grounds of the plantation were amazing. And that was the second to last South Carolina State Park Ultimate Outsider stamp that we needed. So we've only got one more stamp to go, and then we are South Carolina Ultimate Outsiders, having done it within 1 year. Amazing! While at the plantation, the weather started to roll in, and so once we redocked with Voyager back at the campground, we kind of just settled into Voyager's capsule to stay happy and dry for the remainder of the afternoon, evening, and night while the rain rolled in and we had thunderstorms that night. We packed up the next morning, docked, and started the mission back to home base. And first, not really sure why, but there's a bunch of pancake houses out on the outer banks of South Carolina, and so we stopped at one of those pancake houses and had breakfast before returning back to home base.